Hey, so if for whatever reason you're running Google Ads and inside of WhatConverts you're not seeing the campaign content and keyword stuff, then what you might want to do is go into your Google Ads account, go into the settings area for account settings, and then you've got the tracking here. Now what you're able to do is force the UTM parameters, so at least it forces some of the data into WhatConverts automatically. Whenever you capture a new lead inside of Google Ads, it passes that information over to WhatConverts a little bit more accurately, so you might be able to see more of these details. So in order to do that, the tracking code you'll need, I'll leave in the description below. Just copy this one. You'll go into the account settings, click on that, paste it in here, and you're good to go. Now, if you need any other details within here, just go over to ChatGPT, say, here's my tracking template, but I also want to see X, Y, and Z, and you'll get updated with the new tracking template, and you can paste that in like so. All right. So once you click save, that applies to your account level, so that it will apply to all of your campaigns in your Google Ads account. If you've got any questions, leave them below. More than happy to help, and I'll see you in the next video.